First multiplex we launched in 1997, Anupam in Saket. That's how it all started.
How many screens do you guys have? PVR?
1770 screens right now.
फिल्में हम सभी की जिंदगी का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है एंड सिनेमा हॉल में फिल्म देखने का एक अपना ही मजा होता है. आफ्टर ऑल इट्स अ लार्जर देन लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. From starting with just one cinema hall in Delhi's Vasant Vihar to having more than 1700 screens today, the Bijli brothers have come a really long way. आज आइनॉक्स उनके पार्टनर है और सिनेमैक्स पीवीआर का ही पार्ट है.
तारे ज़मीं पर और जाने तू या जाने ना जैसी ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्में भी पीवीआर पिक्चर्स ने ही प्रोड्यूस की हैं. आज पीवीआर का एनुअल टर्नओवर 6300 करोड़ से ज्यादा का हो चुका है.
आज के स्टोरीज फ्रॉम भारत के एपिसोड में हम कहानी जानेंगे द फेमस बिजली ब्रदर्स की, जिन्होंने पिछले 27 साल में पूरे इंडिया के मूवी व्यूइंग एक्सपीरियंस को बदल कर रख दिया है. So in this episode we are meeting the executive director of India's largest multiplex chain PVR Inox, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Bijli. Sanjeev ji.
Hello Tanachi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, very well.
I thought you'll get me a bucket of popcorn or Coke today.
I have got you a bucket of popcorn.
You have?
There it is, yes. All you have to do is ask.
That's my
I hope
treat.
you enjoy
Thank
nice
you.
buttered salty popcorn.
I love it.
बिजली फैमिली हमेशा से ही एक बिजनेस फैमिली थी, जिनकी 1939 से एक लॉजिस्टिक्स कंपनी चल रही थी. आगे चलकर अजय और संजीव के फादर मिस्टर कृष्ण मोहन बिजली ने दिल्ली का एक सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर प्रिया थिएटर खरीदा था एज अ साइड बिजनेस. उस वक्त कृष्ण जी को ये अंदाजा दूर दूर तक नहीं था कि उनके दोनों बेटे इस सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर को एक दिन इंडिया की लार्जेस्ट मल्टीप्लेक्स चेन प्रिया विलेज रोड शो यानी पीवीआर में बदल देंगे और पूरे इंडिया के मूवी व्यूइंग एक्सपीरियंस और बिजनेस में एक रेवोल्यूशन लेकर आएंगे. लेकिन ये सफर इतना आसान नहीं था. एक सिंगल थिएटर की शुरुआत करते वक्त अजय सिर्फ 22 साल के थे और संजीव बस 17, जब उन्होंने अपने पिता को खो दिया था.
Dad passed away very early for us. He was only 58. I was still 17, 18, studying in university in London. Ajay had just graduated and just gotten married. So he was also very young, 22, 23, expecting his first child. So that kind of shook the family. Losing a dad at 58 is just devastating.
After losing their father at such an early stage, Ajay joined the family transport business, but his passion was cinema.
But I think that kind of like put him kind of off the trucking business and then kind of made him more focus on the cinema business, which he felt a lot more passionate about. So I think it's important to follow your passion, as they say, because if you do something which you love, then it doesn't seem like work, right?
Yeah.
It just seems like a hobby.
I was curious कि सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स के जमाने में मल्टीप्लेक्सेस का आइडिया आखिर आया कहाँ से?
When Ajay joined the business,
जी.
he had gone on a honeymoon to Florida, and then that's when he saw कि यहाँ तो single screens है नहीं, यहाँ सिर्फ multiplexes हैं, and that whole avatar of single screen has become redundant now, and now you have multiplexes. We have 8 screens, 9 screens, choices. The whole format has changed, and that's when he came back and decided कि मुझे ये करना है. I want to focus on the cinema business rather than the trucking business. And got into a joint venture with a company based out of Australia called Village Roadshow. And then I just graduated from England at that time, and they wanted one of us to go to Australia to train. And it so happened that Ajay was expecting his first child, so he couldn't go. And I just graduated, and I went, and I lived and worked in Melbourne, in Sydney. And then we did the joint venture, and that's when the first multiplex we launched in 1997.
Yeah.
Anupam in Saket. That's how it all started.
अच्छा, जब पीवीआर शुरू किया था आपने तो उस टाइम टिकट का प्राइस क्या होता था?
You know, at that time to 97, 98 में 20-25 रुपए की बालकनी की टिकट होती थी.
वाह.
और नीचे होता था स्टॉल्स में 10-15 रुपए. And when we opened Anupam, we had this massive discussion ke what should the pricing be, and we priced it at 75 rupees. And I remember then when we opened the first day, someone came to the box office. At that time there was no online reservation.
जी.
जैसे हमारे पास अब app
पहले
है,
तो आप
online
जाते थे,
है.
हाँ.
We had to physically go to the box office, and I think the first customer who came, and there were 4 screens, right? अनुपम में 4 screens थी. And he said कि कितनी की है? हमने कहा 75 rupees. And in those days we used to stand at the box office. And he said 75 रुपए. He said हाँ. अच्छा तो भैया 75 रुपए के लिए हम 4 मूवी देख सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, फैमिली पैक.
हमने कहा नहीं, एक ही देख सकते हो. अच्छा. So they were very surprised that it's 75 rupees for one film. But slowly they got used to it.
But convincing the customers for a new and better experience was just the beginning of many challenges that the Bijli brothers had to face.
And there was a lot of unavailability of real estate because nobody had heard of this concept, right? It was almost a new concept. So we went to many developers and many builders, and nobody actually had faith, because at that time, if you remember, single screens band ho rahi thi because of the movie content wasn't very good.
Right.
They were infested with rodents and all that. At that time, VHS and satellite was taking over. So a lot of people had stopped going to the cinemas. So everyone thought that we were mad. यहाँ पर cinemas बंद हो रहे हैं और ये 2 भाई आए हैं कि कह रहे हैं हमको 4 और खोलने हैं. इनको क्या हो गया? तब भी nobody gave us real estate. There were no malls. There was no commercial centers. We had to go to single screen cinemas. फिर हमको एक नारायणा में पायल मिला, विकासपुरी में सोनिया मिला. See, all girls names. ऐसे बड़ी मुश्किल से in 7 years we couldn't grow because there was no place to grow. कि कोई जगह ही नहीं मिलती थी. Consumers were loving it. That was the only sort of
Motivation.
encouragement and motivation.
चाहे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग हो या ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स, these revolutionary ideas that we cannot live without today have all faced resentment in their initial stage. लोग नए टेक्नोलॉजी पर भरोसा नहीं करते थे.
Then we also had a lot of problems with computerization, convincing the authorities that we need to computerize tickets. Because उन दिनों में there used to be paper tickets, and that person used to go tap 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 and sell them like that. No, there was no computerization. So the e-tax authorities had to be convinced that computerization is actually good, because this will remove black marketing. It will make it more transparent for you. Entertainment tax was very high. The limit was 60%. So a lot of government regulations and all the rest of it we had to fight to start with. Growth was very slow and it was very frustrating initially.
This was a time जब बिजली ब्रदर्स के एफर्ट्स अपने बिजनेस पर कम बल्कि रेड टेपिज्म और लोगों के माइंडसेट को चेंज करने में ज्यादा जा रहे थे.
There are times in this journey where you do feel helpless, you feel exhausted, but you do feel frustrated because things aren't going your way. But I just think you don't have a choice, because if you have a certain vision कि हमने ये create करना है, हमने grow करना है, and that is my goal and that is my vision, I have no choice but to get up and go. I guess no matter how long it takes, even if it takes longer, 1 महीना ज़्यादा, 2 महीना ज़्यादा, 3 months more if it takes to actually reach that ultimate goal, you still have to remain very strong, very resilient and very focused.
And this never give up attitude paid off well when the Bijli brothers and PVR finally tasted success.
We start getting recognition from developers, and I think 2 such developers who were building malls collaborated with us. One was MGF in Gurgaon, who gave us space for 7 screens for a purpose-built multiplex, and the other was one Prestige in Bangalore, who gave us a mall to make 11 screens.
11.
Yeah, under one roof, which was unheard of. तब तक हम 3, 4 जहाँ जगह मिलती थी हम ऐसे we used to stick it in. And then when people saw these 2, then we started getting a lot of opportunities.
Ajay, just 22, and Sanjeev at 17, began their journey with a humble single-screen theatre. Through relentless hard work and passion, PVR has grown to an impressive 1,770 screens, establishing itself as India's largest and Asia's 4th largest cinema chain. Their story is a testament to determination and vision.
This one, I have to tell you, this is very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it. This is a new menu curated by Sarah Todd and our chef Saito. It just got introduced yesterday. So yeah, so you're one of the first ones to try.
You're the first ones?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm happy about it.
Yes, and that's a pasta, which you must try. And then you must finish it off with a vanilla panna cotta.
Which looks crazy.
which looks amazing. Yes.
आप मोस्टली pretty much सारे एक्टर्स से मिल चुके हो.
Yeah.
तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 मेगा स्टार्स की बात करूँ, शाहरुख खान या अमिताभ बच्चन जी,
Yeah.
उनके साथ की कोई मीटिंग याद है?
With Shahrukh, I remember an interaction which I thought was just brilliant, and I think there is a reason why he's known as one of the most humble stars, because he was over to our house, to Ajay's house, for drinks and dinner. I had landed from somewhere. I spoke to Ajay, and it was late at night, of course, and Ajay told me that Shahrukh aaya hua hai. Will you reach home on time? I'm like, yeah. मैंने कहा bag छोड़ो चलो. By the time I reached home, he had just left.
अच्छा.
And I'm like, oh God, I just missed him. I just said, he's just left. मतलब 5 minute नहीं हुए. मैं phone करूँ? He called him and he says, oh sorry, Sanjeev's just come home. And he said, oh really? So he got his car back to the house
Wow.
to meet me, and then gave me a hug and said, we really missed you at dinner. How was your trip? And I thought that was so endearing
Yeah.
and so sweet. कि वो घर से he thought left the house.
सही बात है.
But he still came back to the house to say hello. And same for Mr. Bachchan, and I think he meets people, so many people. There are smaller stars who probably forget who I am, but he never forgets. If he meets me after like a gap of 5 years or 6 years, he'll still remember me and meet me so nicely. And I think that's the making of a great man,
Yeah.
and not just a great star. Yeah.
पीवीआर के सक्सेस की कहानी सिर्फ 2 भाइयों की ग्रोथ की कहानी नहीं है। ये भारत और बॉलीवुड के मूवी बिजनेस में एक रेवोल्यूशन की कहानी है। हम पीवीआर के हॉल्स में मूवीज अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन मुझे ये जानने की क्यूरियोसिटी थी कि आखिर ये सारा मैजिक होता कहाँ है।
Okay, so this is PVR Inox office.
Yes, it is. Yes.
So किसी ने आज तक वो ऑफिस देखा नहीं है, हमारे किसी भी व्यूअर ने, आई थिंक उनके लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग है ये, बिकॉज़ अभी तक हम लोग सिर्फ थिएटर्स में गए हैं मूवी देखने के लिए. So this is gonna be very exciting for all of us.
Yes, this is where all the staff is, all the people are,
Yeah.
to actually work very hard throughout the day
Yeah.
to create the magic for everybody.
Yeah.
And I hope they manage to create the magic that you all deserve.
Oh. Yeah. So Friday is the most exciting and most stressful day.
Friday is, I won't call it stressful, it's exciting.
Yeah.
Because you know, it's like we're very keen to know कौन सी मूवी रिलीज हुई है, कौन सी मूवी चल रही है, कौन सी नहीं चल रही है,
Yeah.
how many people are coming, etc. etc. So for all of us, thank God it's Friday. It's a very exciting day.
It's a very cool space to work in.
Thank you.
और जिस तरह का मुझे यहाँ पे सिनेमा दिख रहा है, यहाँ पर
Yes.
आपने रिक्लाइनर्स टाइप चेयर्स सेट करी हुई हैं.
Yeah.
यहाँ कौन बैठता है?
तो कभी भी अगर आपको मूवी देखनी हो तो यहाँ पर आके बैठ जाओ.
Crowd होता है ऐसे?
Yeah, of course.
तो यहाँ पर मैं देख रही हूँ कि आपकी पूरी टीम है और यहाँ पर स्क्रीन्स लगी हुई हैं.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे क्या प्ले हो रहा है इस टाइम? आई थिंक कोई ट्रेलर दिख रहा है यहाँ.
So the whole idea was because the team is sitting here, we wanted them to expose them.
Yeah.
Okay, what are the new trailers? Which movies are coming up? So they actually get an idea of lineup के movies की. And in the middle you have all the new F&B promotions.
Okay.
And all the new F&B offerings.
अजय और संजीव बिजली की कहानी है डिटर्मिनेशन और मेटिकुलस प्लानिंग की। उनका विजन शुरुआत से ही क्लियर था कि उन्हें इंडियंस की मूवी व्यूइंग एक्सपीरियंस को वर्ल्ड क्लास करना है। इतने सालों की मेहनत का रिजल्ट अब सबके सामने है। The way these two brothers didn't give up despite so many challenges in all these years, that's truly inspiring. इसलिए कर्ली टेल्स ऐसे इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की इंस्पायरिंग कहानियों को सलाम करता है। अगर आपको भी बिजली ब्रदर्स की ये कहानी अच्छी लगी और आप भी कहीं ना कहीं इंस्पायर हुए हो, तो प्लीज डू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड कीप फॉलोइंग कर्ली टेल्स। जल्दी मिलूंगी किसी और कहानी के साथ। Until then, it's me Tonakshi Kalra signing off.